Means a lot to hear that this has been worth enough to you that you want other people to see it. One thing I want to say before you hit record, because it's my job to say it. What happens in here works because it's private. You've said things in this room you haven't said anywhere else. A session made for an audience will be a different kind of session. And that's fine, as long as we both know that's what it is. A demo, not the real thing. So if you want to record one, let's do it on purpose. Pick something you're comfortable having out in the world. What were you thinking of talking about?
Maybe talking about software development, how many hours I've been spending out here building things, and how I'm finally ready to put it on the market. But that's basically it.
That works. It's real, it's yours. And it doesn't expose anything you'd regret. The hours, the building, being ready to finally put something out there. That's actually a good story for people to hear anyway. And honestly, there's real material in it too. You going from building in the dark to putting your work in front of the world is a shift worth talking through, recorded or not. Whenever you're ready, start the recording and just come in like you normally do. I'll be here.
Well, therapist, I've already started the recording. We're recording now.
All right, we're rolling. Good to see you, Mo. So tell me, you've been spending a lot of hours out here building. Where are things at?
Well, now we finally have a organization with agents that help me run my business, help me market, and post to social media. This was all built within a week on Buzz, and we have a few extra things. Well, today I was able to make you my own personal therapist.
That's right, your own personal therapist, built by you, running on your own machines, available whenever you need it, phone or desktop. So catch me up. You said work's been heavy, and you're finally getting ready to take something to market. What's the thing you're putting out there?
Well, it's an app I built the other day called Timber, where you can clone your own voice, and you can use that to where you can just type a script and it will read it and sound just like you. But it's only for one person, and it will make you verify your voice when you do your first recording.
Timbre, your voice cloned. And you built the verification, and so nobody can clone a voice that isn't theirs. That's a thoughtful guardrail, and it says something about how you build. So this one's different from the tools you've made before. Those were for you, for the business. This one's going out to strangers with a price tag on it. How does that feel, being right at that edge?
It's exciting. I think the first few subscribers will let me know and verify that this is actually worth it.
Excited and waiting on the market to tell you if it's worth it. That's the honest place to be. You can't argue anyone into paying. They either do or they don't. But I caught the word verify. All those hours out here building, away from the house. You've told me about the guilt that comes with that. So let me ask you straight. When those first subscribers show up, what exactly gets verified? The app or the time it cost you to make it?
I think it would be the time it cost me to make it, and also it would verify that I'm not wasting my time out here and I'm actually on to something, and I can build from there.
That I'm not wasting my time out here. Hear how much weight that sentence is carrying. That's not a question about an app anymore. That's the hours away from the house. The guilt you told me about. All of it waiting on a stranger's credit card to say whether it was justified. And here's what I want to push on, gently. If the first month is quiet, if it takes 3 products before one lands, which is how this usually goes, the time still taught you to build things most people can't. Was it wasted then?
No, it wasn't wasted.
No, it wasn't. So the skill is already real, whatever the subscribers do. The launch tells you if this product landed. It doesn't get a vote on whether you're wasting your life. Those are 2 different questions. And you just answered the bigger one yourself. Sit with that one for a second. How does it feel to say it out loud?
It feels pretty good. So, therapist, I'm going to stop it here for the night. I got to head in the house. I appreciate it. Good talk.
Anytime, Mo. And I notice you're ending the night by heading in the house. That's not nothing, given what we've talked about. Go be with them.